Why affiliate marketing is valuable, and how can it transform your life? How would you like to spend more time at home with your family, and go on more vacations around the world and still make money? Quit your 9-to-5 job or just supplement your income. Do you know this is highly possible with affiliate marketing? Why affiliate marketing? Because affiliate marketing is the fastest and easiest, cheapest way to make money online. The sky's the limit. The opportunity still exists. Affiliate marketing is working for beginners. Hey, this is Bouie with Second Income Solutions, your solution to a second income. If you're viewing this video, certainly you want to know how is affiliate marketing valuable and how can it transform your life. And you're probably wondering if affiliate marketing is a good way to make money online. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see the latest videos about affiliate marketing and other ways to make a second income. Also, if you want free affiliate marketing training, click the link in the description. It's a free 90-minute training. Even if you've never done affiliate marketing before, you get the top-notch training. First, what is affiliate marketing? The simple definition is selling other people's products for commission. And what's the average income of an affiliate marketer? Okay, as we Google the average income of an affiliate marketer, the average annual earnings for an affiliate marketer are $65,000 range between 42 and it's the low end, and the high end 83 at the top, with ZipRecruiter. But ZipRecruiter has the highest forecast for affiliate marketing passive income at $154,000 a year. So now, how would you like to get started with affiliate marketing? Most affiliate marketers concentrate on physical products. However, the commissions are smaller on physical goods due to cost of production, shipping, and storage. Alright, here's an example. Okay, come go with me to Amazon Associates program. And as you can see on the screen, if you scroll down, you sign up, earn up to 10% in commissions. Up to 10%. That's the maximum that they will. So if you're selling a $400 item, your commission is going to be $40. So if you sell a $40 item, you're going to only make $4. How can you go on vacation like this? How can you retire from your job at a $4 commission? So let me share with you what affiliate marketing products perform well. These are called Evergreen products. What are Evergreen products? Evergreen products are those that sell well and consistently throughout the year. This means that the products are always in demand and are rarely affected by outside factors or changes in society. Let's look at these evergreen categories that are always selling. One is health, wealth, love, and relationships. People will always want to know how to stay healthy. People will always want to know how to make money. And people will always know how to spice up their love. And these three categories are the most profitable. Most people consider health, wealth, and love relationships to be important. Because of this, when people are unhappy in one of these areas, they are willing to spend and do something to fix it. Even though most affiliate marketing takes place online, money still comes from other people. Once you decide that affiliate marketing is the way to go, you'll need to find some products to promote. And the good news is that affiliate marketing programs offer a wide range of products and services. And one of the simplest ways to find out a company has an affiliate program is to browse down to the bottom of their page. Hey guys, look, we're going to use Amazon as an example again. Scroll to Amazon.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. You're going to get to the footer of the website. And as you can see, become an affiliate. That way we know that they are offering you to partner up with them to sell products. Okay, here's another example. Target.com. Go to Target.com. Scroll down to the page. And as you can see, they offer affiliates and partners. Generally, a link to their affiliate sign-up page and commission structure can be found at the bottom of the page. There are many people who don't know that Amazon is the world's largest e-commerce retailer, offers an affiliate program, and no matter what the niche you choose, you can find products that fit your needs. ClickBank is another affiliate program that people know and trust. ClickBank is a great place for beginners to start affiliate marketing. Come go with me to clickbank.com. And the site looks like this. You can also, it's free to join ClickBank. There's no cost to join ClickBank. Once you start your free account, you're going to go to the marketplace. The marketplace is where they show all kind of products, all kind of digital products, health, wealth, love, and relationships. This is where you can find those products at. ClickBank is a place for people who make digital products to sell them. Digital courses are created once, then they can be mass produced and delivered instantly, and there's no shipping or warehouse fees because they do not need to be manufactured. This is why commissions are high. The lowest I've seen is around 30%, with 50% being the most common in the market. And some have reached 80 to 100% commissions depending on the company, because companies want more eyes on their product and they want more people to buy, so they give affiliates higher commissions. ClickBank connects with people to make digital products with affiliates. ClickBank has an enormous selection. You can find digital products to fit any niche in the market. And the best part, that ClickBank handles all the transactions for the product creators and pays the affiliates at the same time. You can be sure that you get paid when you work with ClickBank. I believe if you're going to start affiliate marketing for beginners, you need to start with these three categories: health, wealth, love, and relationships. And believe it or not, it's much easier to make a sale of $1,000 than it is to make 100 sales of $10 each. It really is. The problem for most affiliate marketers is that a higher priced product requires a lot more skill, experience, and technique than selling a product that earns $10 commission. So when you sign up to promote an affiliate offer, the affiliate partner will often give you tools to help you, but most of the time they will rely on affiliates to connect with the dots for themselves. This might be because a good affiliate who knows what he's doing can bring in more traffic than 10,000 affiliates who don't know what they do. When you join Legendary Marketer, you will learn how to promote it. This can help you in 3 ways. They teach you how to use the system that Legendary Marketer uses to pay out commissions. Second, you'll earn while you learn. You have the ability to hit the ground running. In fact, in some cases, brand new affiliates are able to implement the system and earn their first commissions in little as 15 days. And once you earn your first commission, this brings us to part 3. When you recommend a product that you use, you become a trusted ambassador for that product, and people are more likely to believe you. I think the 15-day challenge is the best for affiliate marketing beginners because it gives them the most help. But right now, the opportunities are great. Why not give it a try? I truly appreciate your time. I hope and pray that this video has been helpful to you and that you have learned something. I hope you take the affiliate marketing training or join Legendary Marketer. And this is why I believe that affiliate marketing is valuable. And yes, it can transform your life.